Hello dear student. Today's video based on physical properties of haloalkanes and haloarenes. There are some physical properties of haloalkanes and haloarenes. We will discuss first physical properties. All alkyl halides are colorless. Mostly all alkyl halides are colorless, but in case of bromides and iodides obtain color if exposed to air. It means if we uncovered these alkyl halides like bromide and iodide, they show some colors. Okay, clear now. Second point, most of them have sweet smell. Sweet smell means like fruity smell. Okay, clear. In third point, melting and boiling points, if 1 and 2 carbons alkyl halides, they are gaseous at room temperature. Okay, 1 carbon and 2 carbon, they are gaseous at room temperature. Fourth point, if number of carbon increase, 3 carbon, 4 carbon, 5 carbon, etc., number of carbon increase, they are found in the liquid or gaseous, the liquid or solid state. Okay, clear now. Due to the reason means due to intermolecular forces. Yeah, we can say van der Waals forces also increase, so they show liquid and solid state. Okay, clear now. Fifth point, with increase of halogen atom, if we move from fluorine to iodine, melting and boiling point also increase because same intermolecular forces also increase. Okay. Sixth point, if we are comparing approx same molecular mass alkyl halides and hydrocarbons, the melting and boiling point of alkyl halides is greater than hydrocarbons. So due to suppose that CH3Cl molecular mass means 12, 15, 15 plus 35.5, it means 50.5 gram approx. Okay, clear now. It is alkyl halides. Next, CH3, CH2, CH3, 1, 2, 3 carbon, 12, 36 plus 3, 6, 7, 8 plus 8, 44 grams approx, same molecular mass. So okay, clear now. The melting and boiling point of alkyl halides means CH3Cl is greater than hydrocarbons. Okay, clear now, because due to the dipole interaction. Okay, clear. Next, reason. Okay, clear. Sorry, reason here. Because hydrocarbons only have London forces. London forces means weak van der Waals forces, weak forces, while case of alkyl halides have dipole interaction. Dipole interaction is greater than London forces. Okay, dipole interaction means suppose that in case of HCl negative part, positive part, then another H and Cl negative and positive, this type of force. Okay, these dipole force. Okay, dipole force. Next, in case suppose that seventh point, isomers of alkyl halides, different type of isomers alkyl halides, increase in branching. Okay, no branch, one branch and another branch, branching carbon chain, decrease in intermolecular forces. Decrease if branching increase, decrease in intermolecular forces, so therefore melting and boiling point also decrease. Okay, it has more melting and boiling point compared to these. Okay, clear. Less CH3C, CH3Br, CH3 more branching, less melting and boiling point. Okay, clear now. Some aromatic compounds like orthodichlorobenzene, metadichlorobenzene and paradichlorobenzene, these all are the substituent. Para substituents compound have highest melting and boiling point. Okay, this is very easy to understand. Here chlorine repel electron clouds. Electron clouds means less stronger. Okay, clear now. In case of some repulsion, there is no any repulsion. No repulsion means more strong. Okay, clear now. Next, Point number 9, density with increase in number of carbon or increase size of halogens, means fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine, density also increase. Okay, number of carbon increase, so also density increase, number of halogen size increase, fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine if we shift, so also density increase. 10th point, solubility like dissolve like. Okay, case of solubility like dissolve like, alkyl halides are less soluble in water because new interaction between alkyl halides and water is less stronger, because water have also hydrogen bond. Okay, then the interaction between water molecules. Okay, water molecules also as bonding. So there is no S bonding, so the water S bonding is more stronger than alkyl halides bonding, so less soluble in water. But in case of organic solvent, okay, but alkyl halides are soluble in organic solvent like benzene, toluene, chloroform, etc., because of more stronger interaction between solvent and alkyl halides. Okay, clear now? Thank you, student.